Hi, it's NuWave Oven recipes, and today I'm going to show you how to grill skinless frozen chicken strips, basically chicken tenderloins from Frozen, in a NuWave oven. So check this out. Okay, so for this cook I've got my chicken breast tenderloins here. I've got some extra virgin olive oil in a bowl here that I'll be brushing on the chicken tenderloins. I've got some Mrs. Dash chicken grilling blend that I'll be shaking on there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get about 10 of these frozen chicken tenderloins. I'm going to set them up here on the highest rack. These are still pretty frozen solid, so there's some pretty solid pieces. I'm trying to get 10 that aren't hard frozen together. Although, even if they're frozen together, they'll cook. But ones, of course, frozen together might take a little longer. So I'm trying to get 10 that aren't frozen solid. I'm going to just grab the bag here and grab out some more. If I could fit 10, that's just 4. And we're getting kind of full. I think I'm going to stop at about 7. It's getting really full already. These are kind of big. Let's see. Maybe we can get 10. That's about 7. Yeah, that's about 7. Maybe we can get 3 more on there. Number 8. Number 9. Well, I guess we'll have to stop at 9. I'm kind of full. I'm going to stop there at 9. And just going to take the brush and brush on some oil all over these. See if I can get a good coating. Alright, just going to shake some Mrs. Dash over the top. Alright, spin them over. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side here. Get that coat of oil on them. And you want to try and, not have any really touching if you can avoid it. Allowing that air to get between the pieces of meat makes for faster cooking. And get these last 2 coated with oil. This oil helps to bind the seasoning onto the meat there, and also helps give a lot of tender juiciness to it. Just making sure that I can, if possible, put just a little space between some pieces. And I'll throw in some Mrs. Dash. And you can just sprinkle on to your liking, your preference of taste. All right, now that I've got that on, I've got to get this glove off. I'm going to get the lid on. I'll bring this a little closer to view here. I'm going to do cook time 20 minutes. Start. I'll bring you back in 20 minutes. Okay, so our 20 minutes is up. I'm going to take the lid off, let you have a look. As you can see, that chicken is nicely grilled. I'm going to just take one off and do a taste test. I'm going to cut it open first so you can see that it's cooked through and through. As you can see, cooked through. It's because these are kind of thin, they're able to cook pretty quickly. Just going to cut my piece off for the taste testing here. So I'll have a couple pieces there to taste test. I'm going to move the camera around and we'll do taste tests. Okay, so taste testing time. Still hot off the oven. Hot off the oven, not out the oven, but off the oven. They're good. They're great even. And the good thing about these is they're low carb, high protein, all good for you, you know. It's just a straight chicken, no skin, no breading, nothing else, you know, just some seasoning, oil, and chicken. You can't get more healthful than that. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.